Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I'll show you how to create a new user in the latest macOS. This is necessary because having separate user accounts keeps your files organized and improves privacy. Please subscribe for more quick and detailed tech tips. Let's get right into it. First, click on the Apple menu in the top left corner and select System Settings. Now, scroll down and find Users and Groups. Now click on Add User option. And here you have to provide your password. After then, click on Unlock button. From here, choose the account type and fill in the details. And finally, click Create User. And that's it. Now you know how to create a new user in macOS. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.